Adding end screens like this to your videos will make your videos get more visibility from your audience for your other videos too. So in today's video, I will show you how to do it using YouTube Studio. I want to thank Favor Matthew, the smile maker herself, for this end screen tutorial. As a YouTube creator, I know you know what YouTube Studio is, and that's what we are going to use to add an end screen to our video. An end screen is placed 2 to 20 seconds at the end of any of your videos. So let's dive into the process. Go to Google Chrome, type in YouTube Studio desktop site. Then do not click on the search results of YouTube Studio, as it will take you back to the YouTube Studio app. Long press on the screen and a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Open in New tab. Click on the last tab, then it will take you to your YouTube dashboard. So on your dashboard, click on Content, then click on the video that you want to add end screen. This is the video I want to add my end screen to. Scroll down, click on the end screen. It has 2 templates, or you can customize your own. You can then click on the element part. It has video, playlist, subscribe, channel, and link that you can put on your end screen. In my case, I will choose the template that has 1 video and 1 subscribe button. Then I will add a playlist to it. To add a playlist, click on Element, then click on Playlist. Then you can choose from the specific playlist the playlist you want. In my case, I will choose all-in-one videos. Next, click on the other video to see which video YouTube has chosen for you. So in my case, YouTube has chosen best for viewer video, that allows YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit the viewer. You can choose the video manually or allow YouTube to choose it for you. You can also adjust where you want your end screen to start and where your end screen to end. Ensure you click on Save to save the changes. Play the video to see if the changes have been effected. In the first 90 days of my channel being active, I have been able to achieve 4,607 views. I have been able to achieve 125 subscribers. I have been able to achieve 65.7 watch hours, with the highest impressions being 40,974. If you've come this far, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so YouTube can recommend it to as many people as possible. I hope it's been insightful. See you around. The end screen is successfully uploaded. Thank you for watching this far. See you in my next video.